Doll, please.
Hello again. So in my previous video, we opened up Cinnamon Prowess, kept her body separate, put her on a Cortex body because she was going to go in a suit. And I told you all I had a project already for the Cinnamon body. So today, I want to reveal to you what we're doing with this. I did one of my first Chaos packages ever a while ago, and we got 2 cinnamon blankets. I sent it over to Maria from Facebook. I'm sure a lot of you know who she is, an amazing face-up artist. And I gave her some ideas. I sent her pictures of Queen Amidala. Let me do a face reveal. She turned out amazing. I asked for like the little red dots on her cheeks. She has the lip markings, some light brown eyebrows. So I'm gonna put her together. She's gonna have some of the Culture Japan anime eyes. They're like a golden color. And then I bought a wig on Etsy from, I believe this one's from Zazu. It's just like a long brown, there's photos from the Star Wars movies where Padme has her hair down. It's like up and down, but it's like long, brown, wavy. And that's kind of the Padme that I wanted to go for. Of course, it's gonna be pinned up. I'm gonna put some little like gems and some stuff in it because she's gotta be fancy, you know? I have never put eyes in a girl from scratch, so we're gonna do that first. I'm using this big piece. I figured if it was whole, maybe I could just stick it behind her eyes. We'll put one on like this. Is this right? Should I be doing it this way? Oh God, I don't know. Let's just place it in. No, I need to do it separate, 2 separate pieces. Is that good? Oh God. Okay, her eyes are in. I feel like she looks even. Maybe not. Oh my God. I also have a wig cap. Oof, this is tight. I guess we really just gotta squeeze it in there, huh? That means it'll be nice and secure, I guess. Okay, the head cap is on. Now let's put on our wig. I like these wigs because they're large and they just kind of plop on. And here we have our Padme. It took me a while to decide what kind of outfit I wanted to put on her. I thought about getting like an elaborate dress made. I thought about getting some, like, you know, in the one movie she wears the white outfit where it's like ripped in the middle. So the outfit that I went kind of is like that, but it's like a little fancy also. It also gives me Princess Leia vibes, which they're family. So, I mean, it's her mom, so it works. I settled on this outfit from Elite Doll World. It actually showed up today, and that's why I was waiting to make this video. It's a 3-piece outfit, and I'm sure many of you have seen it before. It is the tube top, skirt, and the bell sleeves. We're gonna put on the tube top first. They have a cool little pattern on them, and it's very lightweight and soft, very stretchy material. So we're just gonna slip that right on. Next, let's do the bell sleeves. Oh wow, these are really, there's a lot of fabric here. I was honestly expecting it to be like just this part. I don't know if this is the best way to put it on, but we're gonna go in here. I guess you wear it all the way up, right? Yeah. And then we'll put the seam in her armpit. Oh, that looks so cool. All right, let's attach these. So this is what the top looks like. And let's put on the skirt. So here we have the outfit, and I really am pleased with this. It definitely gives me like Princess Leia Amidala vibes. It's so perfect for her. Let's put her head on and see how she looks all done up. She's on her knees so you can see all of her in the camera. Once we pin her hair up, like, come on, this is Queen Amidala. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, bye.